Hello and welcome guys. Today we are going to see how to install Gemini CLI in our PC. So let's get started. Okay, let's search Google Gemini CLI. Okay, we got the GitHub link. So we are going to click this link, and here we can see all the things that will help us to install Gemini CLI. So first, quick start, prerequisition, ensure you have. Okay, let's see whether I have it or not. Node version. Did I match the required? Yes. And then I will copy the link and paste it here. What it's saying. Okay to proceed. It may take some time, so have patience and let's see. Okay, we are going to log in with Google. Okay. Gemini Code Assist and the Gemini CLI are now authorized to access your account. Let's see. Type your message or file. File path. Okay, I'm here typing a message. Say hello to me. What can you do? It says that I can help you with a variety of tasks primarily focused on software development and file management. Here are some of the things I can do: interact with the file system, execute shell commands, assist with coding, access the web, remember information. Okay, that's good. So see, this is how you can install Google Gemini CLI in your computer and access with the shell. Now you don't need to go to the website and search the traditional way to use Gemini. Now you can use Gemini in your shell command. Subscribe this channel and hit the like button if you find it useful. Thank you.